Next YouTube sensation right here.
You annoy everybody. You not bothering me. As long as you don't touch me, I won't smack the fire out you. So, as long as you don't
paciencia a ellos, se comienzan.
Acaparó, man.
Tiene una paciencia única.
Is that it? Is that the end of the drama? Do something. Alright. That's the end of On the Way Home from New York subway drama. Part 1. Maybe there's going to be a part 2. We'll see. Okay, it looks like we have a little part 2 going on. I'm just going to go ahead and keep recording for the fun. Seems like there's this poor lady trying to talk on the phone, and the toothless wonder trying to interrupt her conversation. We don't know what's going on, but it's a little entertainment on the way home. Alright, she's moving. Oh, no, she's not moving. False alarm. Okay, she's grabbing something. And hopefully it's a toothbrush. No, it's not. And okay, drama part 2 is now going to be over.